Let's explore the superpower of Linux. Just type this on your terminal. Sudo apt install tmux. And you are done. Tmux stands for terminal multiplexer, which means you can run terminal inside a terminal. So after installing tmux, step number one, to start a new session or a terminal, just type tmux and hit enter. And you see, this is a new terminal command top here, and I will hit enter. So my top command is running here. Now, next point that you need to remember is how to detach from our current session. For that, Ctrl-B and D. And see, I'm detached from my session. Next command you need to remember is how to list out all the sessions that are running on your terminal. For that, the command is tmux space ls. And see, I am having 3 terminals running inside my terminal. Now, the next command that you need to remember is how to attach to a previous session. For that, the command is tmux space a space hyphen t and then the session name. So this first digit you can see this is the session name. I will type here 0 and this will attach my first session. See, my top command which I ran on my first terminal is still running and there is no interruption to it. So this is the power of tmux. Now this next command is super powerful. We can split our terminal horizontally or vertically. So to split your terminal horizontally, you need to press Ctrl-B and the ampersand sign. And you see, my terminal is split horizontally. Now, if I want to split my terminal vertically, then I need to press Ctrl-B and the double quotation. Now see, my terminal is split vertically.